Ever wished you could build your own custom app without needing to be a developer? That's exactly what Power Apps lets you do. Power Apps is Microsoft's low-code platform for creating web and mobile applications. You can design apps visually, connect them to your data, and share them with your team without writing complex code. Whether your data lives in SharePoint, Excel, SQL Server, or Power BI, you can connect it directly to your app with just a few clicks. Imagine your team needs an app for field inspections. Instead of waiting months for it, you can build a mobile app in days, capture photos, add notes, and sync results instantly back to your database. Power Apps also integrates with Power Automate, so you can trigger workflows right from inside your app, like sending approvals, alerts, or updating reports. Businesses use Power Apps for expense tracking, onboarding, inventory, customer service, and more because it's fast, flexible, and cost-effective. At Cyberbug, Power Apps is one of our special services within business intelligence. We help organizations build apps that unlock data, improve workflows, and empower teams. Let Cyberbug help you innovate faster. Click below to get started.